Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Phishing belongs which of the following MITRE ATT and CK tactics? Option A. Initial access. Persistence. Option B. Persistence. Command and control. Option C. Reconnaissance. Persistence. Option D. Reconnaissance. Initial access. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Reconnaissance, initial access. Question 2. When creating a BIOC rule, which SQL query can be used? Option A. Dataset equals XDR data. Filter event subtype equals process start and action process image name tilde equals asterisk backslash PDF docs backslash X. Option B. Dataset equals XDR data. Filter event type equals process and event subtype equals process start and action process image name tilde equals quote asterisk backslash PDF docs backslash X. Option C. Dataset equals XDR data. Filter action process image name tilde equals asterisk backslash PDF docs backslash X. Fields action process image. Option D. Dataset equals XDR data. Filter event behavior equals true event subtype equals process start and action process image name tilde equals quote asterisk backslash PDF docs backslash X. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Dataset equals XDR data. Filter event type equals process and event subtype equals process start and action process image name tilde equals quote asterisk backslash PDF docs backslash X. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.